We're often told that British pig farms are world leaders in animal welfare. Yet in October 2017, Animal Equality filmed pigs locked in tiny stalls on a Norfolk farm, a practice banned in Britain since 1999. Hidden cameras revealed these pigs were continuously confined for at least 5 days. The stress and frustration caused by this extreme confinement was obvious. On an award-winning farm in Devon, pigs were living in leaking, dilapidated buildings covered in slurry. Many had no dry place to rest in their filthy concrete pen. Some clearly found these harsh conditions extremely stressful. On a Yorkshire farm, bored and frustrated pigs were driven to chewing pen mates' ears, a common sight on factory farms where there is little to occupy these active minds. The lack of stimulation and overcrowding also leads to fighting. This poor pig was scarred from head to foot. On a Lincolnshire farm, young pigs were crammed into pens barely bigger than a bathtub, denying all of their natural behaviours. And on all of these farms, ill and injured pigs were left to suffer. Some struggle to cope in a pen full of stronger pigs. Many didn't survive. This is the cruel reality of British pig farming in 2017. You can help end this suffering. Please leave meat off your plate.